Hi everyone, this is Siarri, and welcome to the Nuadox Podcast, episode number 2. The name of this podcast is Graphene the New Gold. You may have heard of graphene. It's being talked about more and more, not only by scientific publications and tech publications, but also in the mainstream media. Let's start with the beginning. What is graphene? And there's a lot of people who are kind of confused about it. Basically, it's a material. It was recently discovered, and it has a number of properties. It's light, strong, thin. It is believed to be a good heat and electricity conductor. And there's a lot of research. I should say there's more and more research about it when it comes to industrial application. So let's look at some of the research that has been published in recent times. The University of Exeter recently in the UK recently published a piece. Let me see if I can find the link. Yeah. So a new so I'm going to quote is.org, new, greener, stronger, and more durable concrete that is made using the wonder material graphene could revolutionize the construction industry. Experts from the University of Exeter have developed a pioneering new technique that uses nano-engineering technology to incorporate graphene into the traditional concrete production. The new composite material, which is more than twice as strong and 4 times more water resistant than existing concretes, can be used directly by the construction industry on building sites. All of the concrete samples tested are according to British and European standards for construction. Crucially, the new graphene reinforced material also drastically reduced the carbon footprint of conventional concrete production methods, making it more sustainable and environmentally friendly. The research team insists the new technique could pave the way for other nanomaterials to be incorporated into concrete and so further modernize the construction industry worldwide. Next, we have some research from MIT. Again, I'm quoting phys.org. MIT engineers have developed a continuous manufacturing process that produces long strips of high quality graphene. The team's results are the first demonstration of industrial scalable method for manufacturing high quality graphene that is tailored for use in membranes that filter a variety of molecules, including salts, larger ions, proteins, or nanoparticles. Such membranes should be useful for desalination, biological separation, and other applications. So it's another promising application. Obviously, it's another study. A tiny layer of graphene flakes on the surface kills bacteria, stopping infections during procedures such as implant surgery. This is the finding of new research from Chalmers University, Sweden. Next, we have new graphene nanoribbons boost sensor sensitivity. Pinning DNA-sized ribbons of carbon to a gas sensor can boost its sensitivity far better than any other known carbon material, says a new study from the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. The team developed a new form of nanoribbon made of graphene. When the researchers integrated a film of the nanoribbons into the circuitry of a gas sensor, it responded about 100 times more sensitivity to molecules than its sensors, featuring even the best performing carbon-based materials, and that was reported in the journal Nature Communications. And there's graphene computers could work 1,000 times faster than current ones. Researchers from several universities have teamed up to develop a radical kind of transistor. Instead of using silicon, the team used graphene to build a logic gate series that uses less power but could work 1,000 times faster than current ones. And that was something that I saw on futurism.com. The study involved UT Texas, Northwestern University, University of Texas at Dallas, University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign, and the University of Central Florida. And last but not least, this article that I really liked back in August 2017. Unbreakable rubber bands that are 200 times stronger than steel are coming. And that's something I found on Science Alert. The world's largest manufacturer of rubber bands is making its main product immortal. Alliance Rubber Company, a 94-year-old company based out of Alliance, Ohio, has announced a new partnership with British researchers to infuse graphene into its rubber bands. The rubber bands could transform how food travels through supply chains, simplify the shipment of fragile electronics, and most satisfyingly last forever. So, is graphene the new gold? Well, I guess it's obviously too early to tell, but it definitely has a lot of potential in industrial applications. And some say graphene is going to have the same impact in the 21st century than plastics in the 20th century. So definitely looking forward to read more research on this new material. Thank you very much for listening, and stay tuned for episode number 3.